Welcome to the Orientation to Distance Learning at Patrick Henry Community College. I'm Mark Nelson, Distance Learning Webmaster, and this is video 7, using the discussion board in Blackboard. Most of your courses will require some form of discussion within the class itself. Some of the discussions will already be open when you first go in, and some instructors will just open the discussions one at a time. You need to make sure that you read the syllabus, and the syllabus is going to be under the Start Here area in all the courses. And make sure you go into the syllabus and understand what the expectations are for communication within the class. With this particular course, it's fully online, but you are expected to check your email, and you do have to respond to the discussion boards. Some of the instructors will actually grade you based on your discussions and the number of discussions that you place. In this particular class, which is Psych 200 with Joanne Armstrong, she has a couple of areas here. The first one that is required of us is number 1, introductions to your course mates. Make sure you read the instructions very carefully before you go in. But to go into the discussion board, I choose discussion board, scroll down to the one I want, click the link, and that'll open the discussion. When I get in here, you'll notice what everybody else has posted. All the information is posted in there for you. I can read the instructor's introduction, and in here she tells us a little bit about herself. You can include pictures, so forth. And in a lot of cases, pictures are good in a discussion, especially the introduction one, because that way we kind of get to know you. I don't think that really looks like Joanne Armstrong, but I love the picture of the duck with the 2 bullet holes over his head. Now, if I wanted to reply to this, all I have to do is click reply. And it's just like using a word processor or sending an email. It'll open up in a new page and give me a subject line. If I'm replying, it gives the regarding and the title there. I can change that if I wish. But I can put in my own message. One thing, if you're like me, you're a terrible typist and horrible speller, we have spell check availability on all the discussion forums. So you can go in, it'll tell you words that you misspelled. If it's ones like DL that we want to keep, you can say ignore. And there's the information. Once I've typed it all in, if I wanted to include a picture, all I have to do is click on the attach image, and that would put a picture in there. Then I hit submit. If I hit save draft, that's going to put it in a draft area, and only I will be able to see it. And it's not easily seen when you save it. So make sure you're ready and just go ahead and hit submit. And that will then put my reply right under the instructor's reply. If I go back to the main discussion board area, go to the introductions. Now, in this particular view, when I come in, this is in the tree view, it shows these plus signs anytime someone else has responded. And so my response is right there. So I have to click the plus to open it up. Another thing you can do is go to the list view. And by going to the list view, that gets rid of the pluses, but it makes it so that we have to click the individual item to see all that replied under there. It's a preference choice. For me, I prefer the tree view. so that it's real easy for me to go in and tell when there's content underneath that.